Hello guys, today we're going to be having a look at this, which is called the Hight follow-up unit. It is part of the Vulcan bomber. I think it's part of the bomb aiming system. It's an electromechanical analog computing device. I don't exactly know how everything works in this, but yes, it's very interesting. Got lots of cogs in there. See it spinning there. Yeah. So I'm gonna try powering up this. Yeah, it's quite an interesting part. It's also quite interesting, these little transistors, they're quite old, but you can see inside them. You can't really see much, it's just like a string, but it's quite interesting that you can take these off. Don't know why they made them like that. Yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna undo all the screws, so you can see inside. Okay, all these screws are undone, so now we can take this off. You can see the back, there's some capacitors here, a couple of resistors, some kind of adjustable thing over here, maybe a potentiometer or something. Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's a motor. I've undone these cables before. That's why I say undone now. I didn't undo them now. Yeah, okay. I will get a battery and see if we can power this up. Okay, I've got this precarious looking thing. Let's see if we can get this to work. Here we go. You can hear it starting to power up, and you can see the ball bearings here spinning. Let's see if we can get this started. I want to short this out. Okay. Maybe if I turn it this way. There we go. You might be able to see the cog. Actually, you can't see very much there. Okay, there we go. You might be able to see the cogs turning when I put these contacts. It's very difficult. Let's see if I can move it this way. There you go. That's easier to see. There you go. You can see the cogs turning there. I think that's actually supposed to run off 24 volts DC, but it works off 6. This is a 6 volt rechargeable battery. Yeah, that's quite interesting. Quite a lot of interesting parts. What's this? It says synchro control transformer, so that's some kind of transformer thing. This thing. Okay, that's okay. Over here it's quite difficult to read, but it's made by Sperry gyroscopes. I don't know what exactly that is. It doesn't look like a gyroscope at all. Actually, does have the fast spinning things. It might be some kind of accelerometer or something. I have no idea what that is. Okay, that's quite interesting. I'm going to see if we can get into here. You can't really see much in there at the moment. Okay. Let's see what I have to do to get in there. Okay, I might be able to remove this whole part so we can see inside here. Okay, I'll do that now. Okay, I've taken that off. Let's see if we can pull this out. It seems to. There we go. Okay, you can see the gears on the bottom here. And yeah, there's some. These look like transformers to me, and I don't know what this. There's a capacitor and some resistors, another potentiometer thing over here. Yeah, some kind of block of components. Interesting. Okay, and then here's the plug that connects to the aircraft, or the rest of the computer. And there's another part here that has some more capacitors and transistors over here. Be careful with this wires. Okay, yeah. That's about it for this one, I think. Okay, bye.